Marhaba, dear parents, welcome to a new session of a group of sessions that aims to enhance Arabic language learning. In this session, we are going to share with you some ideas to practice Arabic during summer. Hope you will enjoy this session and you will find it beneficial.
Why is important to learn language? To feed your child's brain, there are many cognitive benefits of learning languages. People who speak more than one language have improved memory, problem solving, and critical thinking skills, enhanced concentration, ability to multitask, and better listening skills. That's why we are going to focus on how to use summer holiday to learn Arabic. Reading has many benefits and listed here the most important. Experts recommended reading for at least half an hour every night, since this makes our brain release tension, makes muscles relax, and helps us to fall into deep sleep. During holiday, make sure that your child comfortable every night before going to sleep and immerse your child into a storybook.
Now I'm going to share with you some useful and effective resources you can use with your children during summer to support them in learning and to let them read in Arabic. The first and most applicable one is this website, which called Assafir. And here is the link. You need just to type this and you will get into this page. You don't need an account to access the reading resources. Account is only needed if you are going to use the books as a learning resources and you let your children do kind of activities and worksheets after each story to assess their understanding. So since the target is reading, you are going to find many books here. Just press on Iqra. Once you press on Iqra, the first logo here, it will take you to the library. Then you have another also options, Ursum, drawing, Elab, playing and Arabic educational games, and Shahid, watching some useful videos to support learning Arabic in different ways and levels. Here, if you move down to the library, you will find that there is a green color here at the top. This green means the book is for the beginning level of learning Arabic, and for the orange, a little bit harder, you will find the books here down. If you scroll down, you will find the harder books, and so on. This is for the advanced level, and this is for the extremely advanced level in reading Arabic. And the green one, the blue one is for all al-kull. If you click on here, they will give you more explanation to these levels. Now let's direct press on any book of these books. You will find that they are reading for you, so I'm just going to mute it. You have option to listen to the author or listen to the website reading the words word by word for your child. The child can repeat as much as he or she needs to be confident in saying by himself, and of course this one for the full screen reading. Now moving on, by the way, there is an option also for printing here, while you can print it if you prefer your child to read from paper or book. Moving on, you will keep reading, listening, reading, and also watching the nice pictures. Once you are done with this book, you can move on and check with the other books. A free, very useful resource you can use with your child in summer. Moving on, this is the most famous resource for the children, the YouTube. You can link a search for Learn Arabic for Kids to have an access for hundreds of videos suitable for learning Arabic for your children. Learn with Zakaria, I think, is very good one, is very useful, and Al-Kutub or Al-Kuttab also is very good. Usratuna is okay. So you need to keep moving and looking for the good resources, save them into your account, and use them with your children. To make it more beneficial and effective, ask your child to write while he is or she is watching. So having a pencil or paper or whiteboard or marker, anything to write in while they are watching, and saying also in the same time with the video will enhance their learning. So to use it effectively, you need not only to keep them watching, but watching and repeating and writing with them in the same time. The last reading website which we suggest is Madrasa. It's one of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid projects, and it's about reading. Now the layout is in Arabic, so simply you can press on the translate to have the layout in English. Once you had it in English, you need now to go direct to video library to access the videos. Click on Arabic, then you will find all what you can use to learn Arabic. Videos are in Arabic, but it is suitable for students who are in key stage, higher key stage 2, for example, or for the advanced Arabic learner, and of course for Arabic A students. So accessing these videos will also enhance learning Arabic during summer.
Also, educational games it's play a good role for it to improve our Arabic language. So it's develop the child ability to think, training the incorrect pronunciation of the word, learn how to follow the instruction, and expand child language and vocabulary. And it will encourage the child and attract them to the learn language.
Here we are going to share some resources you can use with your children in summer to let them do some playing games and in the same time learning Arabic and practice what they learned during the year. The first resource is this website, WordWall. And in this website, you need to have an account so you can access the library or what's called here the community. Account is for free to have an access to the community. Also, it is in the free account, so you don't have to pay. Now you can search according to your child's level, or your child in the upper grades can search according to their level. So for example, if you searched for Arabic letters for the young students or the beginners, you will find many games with uh, about Arabic letters, so they can play and enjoy learning and practicing and remembering the Arabic letters and so on. So if you, for example, want to learn about Arabic um, question words, so you can find also games according or related to the question words, so they can learn. So if you look here, there's different shapes of the games your children can enjoy playing and learning in the same time. Now regarding to the second website, it's called Quizlet. Also you need an account, and the free account will give you an access to the quizzes to practice. So again, we can also search for Arabic letters and practice whatever we will find or what you think more suitable. When you click on each game, you will find a description and you will find also the questions, and so you can decide is it in your child level or it's higher or below his or her level, and so on. Blue is one of the websites which really the children and the students enjoy learning through doing quizzes on it. So you can also search for Arabic letters, and then when you press on any of them, you can direct find the questions, and the answers, of course, is there. But once you post and host, it will give you some options in how you want to practice this game or answer these questions, so your children can enjoy choosing the way they prefer to do the game and practice the Arabic learning through this. This also required an account, and a free account is enough. So when you click on discover, you can choose what you want to search for, what kind of games you want your child to play while learning, and what subject, and then let your child enjoy learning and playing in the same time. Now the last website I'm going to share with you now is quizzes. Also, it has the same idea like Blocket. You can type here in the search what you want. Let's say, for example, Arabic colors or numbers, and then you will find many quizzes about Arabic according to your child's level. You can pick, and you will find the questions under each quiz is here. So just or stand over here to see the questions in the right side. You can decide, is it suitable for your child's level or not, is it enough or not, and then you or your child will start playing direct. So if you think that this is a good, so you can start a live quiz and direct, your child can enjoy learning and playing in the same time. Research shows improved handwriting increases brain activation and benefits kids academically across all subject areas. In early childhood, writing letters improves letter recognition, and better handwriting is also linked to better reading abilities. Here are some tips and activities to improve handwriting. First of all, you need to provide a model of appropriate handwriting letters. You can find that through search in Learn Arabic YouTube channels and the website madrasa.org, which we shared earlier in this session. You also can find some PDF files on searching for on the internet, where you can print and let your children use it. Now, you need first, before you let your child sit and write, is to check your child's position. It should be a healthy sitting position to affect his health in the long side. You need also to provide appropriate lined paper, provide verbal like cues for letter formation, such as the shape of the letters, straight lines, slash, or for example, you can a curved line, or you can give some hints on how to write the letters. You need a stable paper, so if the paper is moving, the handwriting will not be okay. Check the pencil grasp. The child should hold the pencil in a correct and healthy way. And the most important thing is to be patient and consistent. When children are first learning handwriting skills, they need instructions, they need a system, and also they need to follow a pattern and follow models. So to avoid confusion, you need to provide all of that resources before you ask your child to sit and practice writing.
Thank you very much. Hope you had found this video beneficial, and we will wish you a happy and relaxed summer holiday. Please, if you have any question, contact myself, Soha Hammouda, and Ms. Doaa Hassan. Thank you. مع السلامة.